Police are now mourning the loss of one of their own. ISP officials have identified the trooper that was killed Friday afternoon in a two-vehicle crash as Trooper Corey Thompson. ISP reported that just before 4 yesterday afternoon, Thompson was on duty, finishing a traffic enforcement detail traveling east in Champaign County. A Thomasboro, Illinois man pulled into the roadway, striking Thompson's motorcycle. ISP officials say a witness then provided aid until first responders arrived and took Thompson to an area hospital where he later died from his injuries. The driver was cited for failure to yield right-of-way at a stop intersection.